Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're looking at descriptions. Descriptions or adjectives. These are all descriptions. These are all adjectives. So we need am, is, are. I am, he is, and you are. I am tired. The dog is tired. We use descriptions here for the person who feels the emotion. The person or animal that feels the emotion, we have tired, excited, bored, interested, confused, surprised, frustrated. For the thing that is the reason for my feeling. Tiring. Exercise is tiring. That is the reason I am tired. The book is boring. For things and for activities. Activities, traveling. Traveling is exciting. Example, he is tired. Why? Because his job is tiring. Tired. I, tie. Tie. Tire. Tired. Tired. Again, tired. Very good. Tiring. Pronunciation. I, tie. Tie. Tire. Tire. Tirey. Tiring. Tiring. Repeat. Tiring. Again. Very good. Let's practice. Is he tired?
Yes, he's tired.
Why is he tired?
He is tired because his job is tiring.
Very good. Is he tired? Respond. Why is he tired? Very good. He is tired. Why? Because running is tiring. Is he tired?
Yes, he's tired.
Why is he tired?
He's tired because running is tiring.
Is he tired? Respond. Why is he tired? Very good. He is exhausted. Why? Because flying is exhausting. Exhausted. Pronunciation? Egg. Eggs. Exhaust. 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 Exhausted. 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 Repeat. Exhausted. Again. Very good. Exhausting. Egg. Eggs. Exhaust. 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 Exhausty. Exhausting. Exhausting. Repeat. Exhausting. Again. Very good. Let's practice. Is he exhausted?
Yes, he is exhausted.
Why is he exhausted?
Because flying is exhausting.
Is he exhausted? Respond. Why is he exhausted? Very good. Example. They are excited. Why are they excited? Because traveling is exciting. Excited. Pronunciation? X. excite, excite, excited, excited, excited. Repeat. Excited. Again. Very good. Exciting. Ek, x, I, excite, excite, exciting, 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 exciting. Again. Very good. Let's practice. Are they excited?
Yes, they are excited.
Why are they excited?
They are excited because traveling is exciting.
Are they excited? Respond. Why are they excited? Very good. He is interested. Why is he interested? Because the book is interesting. Interested. Pronunciation? In. Inch. Insure. Interest. 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 Interested. 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 Repeat. Interested. Again. Very good. Interesting. Pronunciation? In. Inch. Intre. Interest. Interest. Interesting. 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 Repeat. Interesting. Again. Very good. Let's practice. Is he interested?
Yes, he is interested.
Why is he interested?
Because the book is interesting.
Is he interested? Why is he interested? Very good. He is fascinated. Why is he fascinated? Because the book is fascinating. Fascinated. Fa. Fast. Facet. Fasten. Fascinate. Fascinate. Fascinated. 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 Repeat. Fascinated. Again. Very good. Fascinating. Fa. Fast. Facet. Fasten. Fascinate. Fascinate. Fascinating. 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 Repeat. Fascinating. Again. Very good. Let's practice. Is he fascinated?
Yes, he is fascinated.
Why is he fascinated?
Because the book is fascinating.
Is he fascinated? Respond. Why is he fascinated? Very good. He is bored. Why is he bored? Because the book is boring. Bored. Bore. bored, bored. Repeat. Bored. Again. Very good. Boring. Or. Bore. E. Bory. Boring. Boring. Repeat. Boring. Again. Very good. Let's practice. Is he bored?
Yes, he is bored.
Why is he bored?
Because the book is boring.
Is he bored? Why is he bored? Very good. He is confused. Why? Because the directions are confusing. Confused. K. Kun. Conf. Y. Confuse. Confuse. Z. Confused. 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 Repeat. Confused. Again. Very good. Confusing. K. K. Kun. Conf. Y. Confuse. Confuse. Z. Confuse. E. Confusey. Confusing. Confusing. Repeat. Confusing. Again. Very good. Let's practice. Is he confused?
Yes, he is confused.
Why is he confused?
Because the directions are confusing.
Is he confused? Why is he confused? Very good. She is overwhelmed. Why is she overwhelmed? She has to cook, take care of the baby, think about work, her car, everything. Substitution, it. It is overwhelming. Overwhelmed. O. V. Ove. Over. W. Over. W. E. Over. We. O. Overwhelm. Overwhelmed. 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 Repeat. Overwhelmed. Again. Very good. Overwhelming. O. V. Ove. Over. W. Over. W. E. Over. We. O. Over. Well. Overwhelm. E. Overwhelm me. Overwhelming. Overwhelming. Repeat. Overwhelming. Again. Very good. Let's practice. Is she overwhelmed?
Yes, she is overwhelmed.
Why is she overwhelmed?
Because it is overwhelming.
Is she overwhelmed? Respond. Why is she overwhelmed? Very good. So remember, with descriptions or adjectives, when we have the ed, you're describing a person or an animal, how they feel. He is tired. The dog is bored. And for ing with ing, you're a description or adjective for a thing. The reason you have the feeling. The job is boring. The book is interesting. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and tell a friend and watch it again.